Want to fix tweets not sending verification code? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. So if you're trying to log in or sign up for your account on Twitch, but you are not being able to receive the verification code, in this case, what you want to do is simply go back to your home page. Once you're in the home screen, move ahead to the settings of your device. Inside settings, scroll all the way down and move into notifications. Search for the application Gmail and then move into it. You need to make sure that the notification is turned on. Most of the time, the notifications might be turned off, and it might be also one of the reasons that you might be facing this issue. Once done, the next thing you want to do is head over to the App Store. In the search bar, search for the application Tweets. Head over to this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you're having this issue too. So tap on update and update your app. Once you've got the latest version, it might fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.